Have you ever wondered why, despite advanced technology and enormous financial resources, the largest zoos in the world are still completely helpless when it comes to certain animals? Some creatures seem to challenge humanity's ambition to control nature. They are not simply too dangerous or too large. They possess such powerful instincts for freedom that they would slowly wither away if confined behind iron bars. Today, we'll explore 15 mysterious animals you'll never see in a zoo. First is the red uakari monkey. This primate has a striking appearance, a bright red face with no hair, caused by blood vessels visible beneath its thin skin. They live in the flooded forests of the Amazon. In captivity, they fall into severe stress and depression, often refusing to eat without their large social groups. Next, the Sumatran ground cuckoo. Believe it or not, this bird was thought extinct for a century. It has dark green feathers and bright blue skin around its eyes. Scientists struggle to keep them in captivity because of their extremely specific habitat requirements. Even small environmental changes can be fatal. Third is the megamouth shark, one of the rarest sharks on Earth. It has a huge round mouth used to filter plankton in the deep ocean's twilight zone, bringing them to the surface causes severe internal damage. They belong in the deep, and no aquarium can replicate that pressure or scale. Fourth, the Sahara cheetah. This rare variant has a pale cream or white coat to survive the desert heat. They are extremely shy and avoid humans. Zoos cannot house them because they require vast territories and are terrified of human presence, often hiding kilometers away. Number 5 is the helmeted monacan. Males have bright white feathers with a striking red helmet-shaped crest. Their diet is tied to a single shrub species. The Hirola antelope, known as the four-eyed antelope, is so sensitive it can die from stress during transport. Captive life is almost always fatal. The Omora's whale relies on low-frequency songs. In an aquarium tank, sound waves would bounce off the walls, causing the whale unbearable stress. The pygmy three-toed sloth exists only on one island off Panama. They specifically need mangrove leaves from that island to survive. The Gobi bear is the rarest bear in the world, surviving in the brutal Gobi Desert. Their highly cautious nature makes captivity impossible. The long-beaked echidna is a prehistoric egg-laying mammal. They are extremely sensitive to temperature and have a very specific diet of earthworms. The giant fruit bat has a 1.7-meter wingspan. They need enormous space to fly and feed on wild night-blooming plants that zoos can't replicate. The Yangtze giant soft-shell turtle is massive and requires huge river habitats. Even tiny changes in water quality can be fatal to them. The harpy eagle of New Guinea needs tens of square kilometers of territory. In captivity, they quickly develop severe psychological stress. The vaquita is the rarest marine mammal. Tragically, when rescue was attempted, the captured individual died immediately from the stress of confinement. Finally, the flat-headed cat from Borneo. It behaves like an otter, hunting fish in swamps. Without a precise ecosystem, they cannot survive. These 15 animals prove that humans cannot control everything. Some species are not meant to live behind glass walls. Perhaps the best way to admire them is by protecting the natural world they call home. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the wild.